Get rich with financial education. Did you know that over 60% of adults feel lost when it comes to managing money? Join me as I tackle this head-on and discover how learning about money can lead to real wealth. Financial education isn't just a buzzword, it's the gateway to financial freedom. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or dreaming of big wealth, mastering money is the first step. Today, I'm breaking down how financial education can turn anyone into a wealth-building machine. Here's the harsh truth. Most people were never taught how to manage money. The result? Misconceptions like money is evil or saving alone will make you rich. Add to that impulsive spending habits and the lack of a clear financial plan, and it's no wonder so many struggle. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a genius or born into wealth to change your financial future. You just need knowledge. Let's dive into the pillars of financial education. Budgeting. Start with a simple rule. Track every dollar. Tools like budgeting apps can help you understand where your money is going. Adopt the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Investing. Learn the basics of stock market investing. Even small amounts can grow with compound interest. Don't ignore index funds. They're low cost and high impact for beginners. Saving. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's your financial safety net. Automate savings so you pay yourself first every month. Learning. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts about money. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Surround yourself with financially savvy people who inspire you to grow. Here's a real-life story to prove the power of financial education. Meet Chris. In his 20s, he was drowning in debt with zero savings. He decided to educate himself, reading one book a month on personal finance. Within 3 years, he paid off all his debt, built a 6-month emergency fund, and started investing aggressively. Today, Chris has a portfolio worth 6 figures, all because he chose to learn. Financial education isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. From budgeting to investing, these tools are the key to unlocking wealth and freedom. The best part? Anyone can start today. The sooner you learn, the faster you'll see results. What's your financial education journey like? Share your tips and stories in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on the ultimate investment strategies to grow your wealth. Let's get rich together.